Hello everybody, in today's video I'll be showing you how to install Windows 11 from scratch and covering all the errors that you might end up with. By the end, you'll have a fresh installation of Windows running smoothly on your machine. Before we get started, I do not recommend anyone to use a custom OS as they usually have strict features and security flaws, but your mileage may vary. To begin, you'll need to download the Windows 11 ISO file. I've provided links in the description to help you find the required files for this step. Once you got the ISO, the next step is to create a bootable USB drive. For this, we're using Rufus. Open Rufus and then plug in your USB drive. Press select and locate your ISO file. When setting the partition scheme, choose GPT, and then set the file system to NTFS. Then press start, and if you get these options, just copy the ones on the screen and press OK. This whole process might take 10 to 20 minutes depending on your USB drive speeds. And now it's time to install Windows. Restart your PC and boot from your USB drive. You can do this by pressing a specific key like F2, F12 or delete, depending on your system, to enter the boot menu. Once the installation window appears, select your language and region, then hit Install Now. Now choose the Windows version you want to install. In my use case, this will be Windows 11 Pro. For a clean installation, select Custom, and this will let you choose the drive where you want to install Windows. Windows will now begin the installation process. This might take a while or not, depending on your specs. After the installation, unplug your internet connection and continue with the setup normally. You'll hit the network screen, which asks for an internet connection. We prefer to skip that. If you don't have the option to skip, press Shift plus F10 to open up the command prompt, and this time type this command and press enter. Your system will restart, and when it comes back, you'll have the option to set up Windows without an internet connection. After the reboot, again continue normally, and then select the I don't have internet option, and continue setting up your account without being forced to connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now that we are in Windows, I suggest we disable automatic driver installation. To do that, we want to search up Advanced System Properties, then go to Hardware, change installation, disable automatically download apps, and save. Now we're ready to plug in our internet and use Windows as normal. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, comment below, and if you have any questions or run into issues, join my Discord server where we have 24/7 support linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.